Hey guys, this is Anne. Today I'm making a detox juice recipe. So we are going to start with these three ingredients. We've got the celery stalks. We have 2 apples and almost 8 cucumbers. So I'm going to chop up the celery stalk. That's just without the leaves and the cucumbers and the apples. So I started with the cucumbers so that it's easy for the blender. So I'll just put them all in the blender first because they have a high water content. And so I put it because it's going to be, this is a nice blend between the right balance of minerals. And yeah, so now I've also put the apples. Now I'll show you first how to peel the apple. I just use this peeler. It is so fast, so you do that. So this juice actually is the right balance of mineral salts, potassium, sugar to stabilize your glucose levels, and you cleanse your body of, it helps your body cleanse of toxins. Just those three, and you can use it in 16 to 20 ounces. You can drink in 16 to 20 ounces every 2 hours as a juice fast or just as your morning drink. So I'm just going to blend that fast. Yes, I forgot to show you as I put the celery. So after I blended the cucumber and the apples, I put the celery and blended it all together. And now I'm just going to sieve it with a cheesecloth. So that's how we're gonna do it. So this is the simplest of cleanse juices you can make, just 3 ingredients. And when I don't get them organic, I normally try to remove as much pesticides with hydrogen peroxide with some water. And yeah, and if the apples, I also do the same, but I'll also still peel off the skin of the apples. So just going to get the water. This produced almost 1.5 liters of juice, which is awesome. So I shared some of it. So even it's a good alternative even to, if you don't feel like drinking water, this is awesome because it has a little sweetness to it, a little salt to it from the celery, and it's very hydrating because also the cucumbers. So that's it. You can see the amount it is. I'll just put it in the bottle and share the rest to the rest of my peoples. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more recipes, and click the bell icon to get notified. See, it's so beautiful and delicious, not too sweet, not bitter at all. It's just mild. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.